Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this puzzle animation on CapCut PC. Let's just place it to the 1:1 ratio. Just going to put it, actually let me use another video that is in the middle, maybe this one. Well, she's to the left a little bit, but that's fine. So I'm just going to go here, and I'm just going to actually let me just go here. I'm just going to freeze frame it, maybe like at 5 seconds. Go to mask and add in a circle, and just make the circle like bigger first. Copy and paste it, and you're just going to make that circle smaller, like so. Maybe like not that small, like this. Then I'm just going to rotate it a few times, copy and paste that. And then we're going to make the circle smaller by like a little bit. And again, I'm just going to rotate it, copy and paste it, make that smaller by a little bit as well. Then I'm going to rotate it as well, copy and paste that, and we're going to do one more time. We're going to rotate it like that. Okay, once you're done, you're going to add a keyframe here, and then at the end, you want to like make it so it's the same, the same like position again here. Wait, did I even add the keyframe correctly? Hold on. Okay, let me just delete that. I think I have to add it in a basic. So add a keyframe here. Then like here, I'm going to rotate it so it's like that. There we go. And on this one as well here, I'm going to add a keyframe, and then at the end, I'm going to rotate it to be like that. And then here as well, add a keyframe. And then at the end, I want it to be like that. Then here as well, I'm just going to rotate it like that, maybe like more. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Just going to adjust this a little bit more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!